Now, let's say you want to mess with fonts in your website. So this is just kind of the standard font that shows up for any HTML. Right here, we have a paragraph. So this is all just paragraph text, and this is just filler text. It's a bunch of Latin junk that you can use just to get a bunch of random text up on the screen. And so if we want to do this, Google actually has been very helpful. And we have this thing called Google Fonts. And so if you go here, there is a list of all fonts available, and you can just scroll through to your heart's content. Let's find one that's kind of obviously different. So here we go, Nabla. I want my font on my screen to look like this. So I'm going to click this. It gives a couple little demos, and then you can scroll down, and there will be right here. This is an example where I can actually add. So I'm going to add this, and notice this little menu pops up. And what it does is it gives you the HTML that you need to add, and then it gives you the CSS rules that you need to add right there. And so to embed a font, copy this code into the head section of your HTML. So I'm going to take all of this, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go back to my project, and I'm going to go into the head section. And I like to just kind of leave myself a little note with a comment, and now I'm going to paste everything. So I know that everything that comes after this is all of my fonts. All right, now if I run this, you're going to notice nothing changed yet because we didn't actually style it. Now this is the rule that we need to add to our CSS to make that happen. And so remember, this is all in a paragraph. So what I need to do is go here and say, I want all paragraphs to have this type of style rule. And now when I run this, it changes all that text. Now that looks awful. So let's actually add something to make it a little bit more readable. All right. So now we got a black background with this, and it's just an example for you to see how we change the styles.